Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Instagram. This account isn't visible to people on Instagram right now and you can use it, which means your account is suspended on Instagram and no one is able to see your account, and you cannot use. So how you can fix that? As you can see, if you try to log into your account and you see this kind of screen on your iPhone, so how you can fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply click on chat with us and you have to explain the problem to Instagram team that you have not violated any community guidelines. So they can simply reactivate your account within 30 days. And you can also click on disagree with the decision, and you can provide all the detail that you have not violated any community guidelines. But if you have already tried all that and it is not working, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari, and here what you have to do, you have to simply search for the Instagram Help Center, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply search for the problem you are having, and after that you can simply provide all the details to Instagram team that how you can fix that and the error. So here you have to simply search for that error. So you have to search account suspended, and after that you have to make sure that you provide all the details to Instagram team. So here it is written disabled Instagram account. So you have to click on was this helpful, so you have to click on no, and after that you have to click on the solution doesn't work, and after that there will be a tab available. Here you can simply provide all the detail to this problem, and you can also mention your email so that Instagram team will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. And after that you can simply click on submit and your report will be submitted to Instagram team, and after that your problem will be resolved. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.